Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox an error occurred and Roblox not continuing. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. On the error occurred and Roblox cannot continue, expanded channel name when using dash channel, used for empty value. I don't know what that means, but let's try to fix it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, go here, temp. Now select all of the folders and shift delete. Alright, when you see this pops up, just check this box and then skip. Let's try again. Let's do this. Still there? Okay, let's try the other one. Go to percent app data percent. Look for Roblox app data. Click the app data local and then Roblox. Alright, delete that folder, right? Try again. Okay, let's download and install Roblox download. Open file. Installing. Okay, let's try it. Alright, it's working now. So that's how you fix it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.